Population explosion is not merely a problem. It is an opportunity to educate and innovate for a sustainable future. And for us to be educated in this topic, we first need to understand on what population explosion is. So what is population explosion? In short terms, population explosion refers to a sudden and rapid increase in the population. One of the more common causes of population explosion is the decrease in death rate due to the medical advancements that reduces mortality. Population explosion can give us two possible effects, a positive effect and a negative effect. But let's start with the positive effect. With the increase in population comes with the increase in demand of manpower, especially for jobs like call centers and factory workers. With those conditions in mind, applying for a job has never been easier, and the acceptance rate of jobs that require manpower has never been higher. But we also have to take into consideration that with more population equals more competition. And with more competition comes with a higher set of standards from the employers to the applicants, causing the employers to be picky, making it harder for people to apply to specific jobs that don't require manpower. The main purpose of this video is to advocate and bring awareness to the positive and negative effects of population explosion.